feature of Smart Anti-Snore Pillow Shifter. The Smart Anti-Snore Pillow Shifter works by gently shifting the pillow left and right 7 times after the snore sensor detects the 4th snore. If 4 more snoring sounds are detected, the pillow goes through the shifting operation again. The entire process is repeated until no more snoring sound is detected. This gentle shifting stimulates muscles in the airway that have become relaxed while asleep, causing them to contract. Over time, these muscles become better toned, eliminating the nightmare of snoring altogether.